Thank you for using Delta, guys. We have this message. So let me show you how to use it. Click on home button, click on execute, and what's up guys, and welcome to my brand new review. In this review I will show you how I got Delta Executor for Roblox absolutely free, safe and online, guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website. Type in search Delta Executor and you will find the online tool. Click there, guys, and now we must enter our username. So let me paste my here. Let me click connect to the server and let's wait a little bit. As you can see, user found. So the next step is to select import latest Delta Executor and select script that you want to add to your account. Click continue, guys, and let's see the next step. This is working perfectly on both Android and iOS devices, and believe me, this is the best working website for Delta Executor. Just scroll down, okay, we have key, and click verify, and let's wait a little bit. And now, guys, we're on the anti-bot verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaires. It's your choice. Just click here, click proceed, and it will start downloading from the official publisher from the app or download it. Complete the task. Below each task you have description what you have to do. So guys, I will download this selfie app and this VPN, so I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task. I got this status completed, success, redirecting almost done. So let's wait a little bit for this redirecting, guys, and let's see the final step. Injection successful, guys. That's it. If you have this message, so let me open my Roblox and let's test any game. And let's see. I love this game. Okay, so let me test here. Okay, let's wait. And look at this, guys, I'm now in the game and we have this panel, and thank you for using Delta, guys. We have this message. So let me show you how to use it. Click on home button, click on execute, and just wait a little bit. And boom, guys, look at this magic. Okay, we have script for this game. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this review, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next. Bye.